Continuous feed disposals require an on-off switch, so we are installing the optional remote air switch. A hole for the button has already been prepared. Remove the threaded locking nut from the bottom of the button and put the tube through it. Push the rubber tube into the connector at the bottom of the button and tighten it in place. Feed the tube down the hole and from below use the large threaded lock nut supplied to secure the button in place. Attach the other end of the tube to the switch box using the lock nut supplied. Attach the switch box to the wall and plug it in. Before installing the drain flange, make sure the sealing area is clean. XO disposers come with a thin rubber gasket which may be used with stainless steel sinks. Other finishes and styles must use plumber's putty. If you are using putty, do not use the rubber gasket. Apply a generous bead of putty to the underside of the flange and press firmly in place, but do not twist. Excess putty will squeeze out and be removed afterward. Place the thick spongy gasket on the drain flange with the shiny plastic side facing down away from the sink and tighten it in place using the threaded locking collar, but do not turn the flange. The drain flange has a groove at the bottom. The cushion mount ring has a lip that juts out and an inner groove. The two grooves interlock with the lip at the bottom away from the sink. Done properly, the twist lock ring will sit on the lip and turn easily. The dishwasher discharge hose connects here. If you are not using a dishwasher, skip this next step. Using a hammer and dowel, remove the knockout plug. Now place the beveled seal onto the discharge elbow, then attach it with the angle side facing the disposer using the metal flange and screws provided. Do not tighten it yet. Lift the disposer into place and align the mounting lugs so the twist lock ring drops down over them. Turn the ring about a ½ inch to hold the disposer in place. You will still be able to position it. Line up the plumbing, and then tighten all your joints and connections, including the dishwasher discharge. Now turn the twist locking ring all the way until it locks fully in place. Check for leaks, plug in your XO disposer, and you're ready to run.